Hi everybody. I thought I'd put together a little video. It's more for me really, but I thought I'd share it with everybody else. It's just a compilation of videos of my little Bob that have taken place over the years. This is the first video that I took of him, and it was back when I lived on Linton Avenue in Oldham. And this is in the house. It was after my marriage had broken down, and it was just me and Bobby in the house. And I'd got this camera. And he used to like stay at the top of the stairs and then just, well, as you've seen, just run off. This was before I did the house up, because when I was with my ex, I don't know what it was, but like he wouldn't let me spend money on the house and stuff. It was a bit weird. But oh, he comes back upstairs. He's such a good boy. I wanted to say I'm going to put the original sound on for most video moving forward, but there is like a bit of a repeat in terms of sound and stuff, so just to let you know about that. But I will put the original sound on and just deal with the echo that's on there if you don't mind. And that's pretty much it. I had Bobby, he was 6 years old when I got him. He died just recently, and yeah, I just wanted to share the video of him, so let me know what you think, everyone.
What are you doing, Mummy?
What are you doing, Mummy?
You mental?
You mental? Oh, God. The hell are you doing, Bobby?
He says that you're a complete man. Why are you doing a live sex to prove to us like you didn't cheat when you don't give a damn?
You're right.
I'm a more stronger person. I've got a life now.
I don't want to make anybody laugh.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
What are you doing, Bob?
What are you doing, Bob?
Bobby,
Bobby,
it's dry.
it's dry.
It's been decoration.
It's been decoration longer than it's been grass, and it's got colours in it.
Bobby.
Bobby.
But you've eaten all that.
You've eaten all that there.
You finished?
You finished?
For their welfare checks, it's okay to be a cougar, but you can't take the settling money.
It's all about the money, and it always has been.
Now she's accused of taking in young teenagers, male and female, to get a piece of their payments too.
While I was living there, I tried claiming my settlement payments without me knowing.
She's under fire on social media.
What?
What?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
But this cornered cougar claims it's all lies.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I know.
Public in that court, Bobby?
But it's her relationship with younger people.
Yeah, Bobby. Watch your nose where his bickies are. Get your bickies, Bobby. Get your bickies, Bobby. Get your bickies. Get your bickies. Get your bickies then. Get your bickies then. Watch him. Watch him. What your bickies?
Right, come on then.
Right, come on then. Tickles mad for him. Oh god.
Silly cat.
Silly cat. Look at it.
Do you like it? Hey! What about this piece here?
What about this piece here? Hang on. What about this piece?
What about this piece?
What about this piece?
Oi. There you go.
There you go.
What is this
Spit it out for?
Naughty.
Naughty.
Yeah, Fatty.
Yeah, Fatty.
No, you're not.
No, you're not right. I'll save that for you.
Watch your cat stand on
Watch
that.
your cat stand on that.
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Bobby.
Good morning, Bobby.
Right, watch this now.
Right, watch this now. He can't stand on this bath mat. Watch.
He walks round the side.
He walks round the side. Watch him.
Come here.
Come here.
Come on.
Come on.
Doesn't like it.
Doesn't like it.
Bobby, why can't you
Bobby,
stand
why
on the
can't you
bath
stand on the
mat?
bath mat? Come here. He doesn't like it. I don't know why. Silly Billy.
Are you?
Are you?
And your breakfast?
And your breakfast?
Yeah.
Do you?
Watch round the side.
Watch round the side.
The fire's on, so it's
Fire's on, so he's knocked out.
his legs.
Look at his legs.
I've got a stain on my couch.
I've got a stain on my couch there.
Let's wake him up.
Let's wake him up. Tight Anna.
Are you asleep, Fatty?
Are you asleep, Fatty? I love bugging him. It's funny.
Go back to sleep, silly sausage.
Go back to sleep, silly sausage.
Bye, everyone. Everybody, I've decided.
It's time to bug Bobby. Literally.
Doesn't move.
Doesn't move.
Doesn't get much exercise.
He doesn't get much exercise because he's an indoor cat. So I've decided.
Getting this laser pen.
Getting this laser pen.
What's it doing, Bob?
What's it doing, Bob? Get it. Get it, Bobby. Get it.
Get it, Bob.
Get it, Bob.
You know what? I'm tight with
You know what? I'm tight with him really because he's like old.
But
Can't help but bug him. Get it. Get it.
Come on now, don't be lazy.
Come on now, don't be lazy. Come on.
Small things really.
Small things really. Really.